To begin, you will need to download the ISO file for the Xubuntu edition or distro. So open your browser and type Xubuntu and hit enter. You will see xubuntu.org. You want to click on that option. And here you will click on download. And here you will have two versions, Xubuntu Desktop for 64-bit system and Xubuntu Minimal for 64. You can choose which one you like. I will choose the first one. And the download should start and you will have a torrent link. Normally and usually there are mirror downloads, which allows you to download directly. So we can try one of the others. And here you need to locate the ISO file to begin the normal download without the torrent. It may take a little bit longer, but it's also good to do. It will take 6 to 7 hours in my case, since my internet is very slow, but in your case it should take 10, 15, 20 minutes based on how fast is your internet. So at the beginning it showed 4 to 6 hours, 6 to 4 hours. However, it took 7 to 8 minutes and the file is now loaded. So I suggest you to choose the closest country or the closest mirror to your home country so that the download doesn't take long.